to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making some keto peanut butter brownies. Y'all already know what it is. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start by getting all our dry ingredients together. That's going to be your sweetener, your almond flour, your cocoa powder, coconut flour, baking powder, and salt. Let's get it all in one bowl and mix it together. Alright guys, we can go ahead and add in our warm water and our melted butter. And also, just for a reminder, all the exact amounts and ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So now that we have our egg, our water, and our butter, we're going to add our 2 eggs in, and then we're going to let it mix for a while. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and add in some vanilla extract, and we're gonna go ahead and add in all our dry ingredients. And once we have all the dry ingredients in, we're gonna mix it into a batter and set it aside. Alright guys, so we're going to move on to making the peanut butter topping for this brownie. So in a medium bowl, we're going to get our peanut butter, cream cheese, and our melted butter and a sweetener. We're going to mix it all together until we get the topping for the brownie. It should look something like this, similar to what it looks like in the video. And I'll show you guys how we're going to incorporate the topping into the brownie. It should look like this, guys, when you're finished mixing the toppings and all the ingredients together. Okay guys, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, and you also want to grease a 9x9 baking dish. And then we're going to go ahead and put our brownie batter into the pan. Once you get it into the pan, you want to go ahead and spread it out evenly, guys. Once we got everything even out, we're going to go ahead and start adding the peanut butter topping. And guys, I tried to use a spoon to do this, but that didn't work out like I thought it would, so I just got down and dirty and used my hands. So there's really not a method to it, guys. You kind of just put it around the brownie as you choose. You can use all the toppings, or you know, depending on how much peanut butter you like in your brownie. I ended up using the whole thing. So I mean, you guys kind of make it to the way you like it, but I kind of like put it in different areas and then kind of pushed it down into the brownie a little bit. And once you're all done with that, like I said, we're going to go ahead and have our oven preheated to 350. We're going to bake this baby for about 35 to 40 minutes and until it passed the toothpick test. And here it is, guys, your keto peanut butter brownies. That'll be it for the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next one.